We're looking at a 14-foot Arctic snow pusher, big like airport pusher box. It's in very solid condition. It's got some age to it, but it doesn't matter. It's a hunk of iron. The cutting edges are in great shape. If you look at the cutting edge here, they're real solid. The pusher box is not your normal pusher box. It's a sectional pusher box. And you can see by the picture that I have where it's coming over the parking block or the sewer cap. An immovable object will wreck one of these and bend it if it's hidden by the snow. This particular unit, it won't. It will, the bottom edge trips. Where you see the black? That trips. And then the section, it's about a 2 foot or about almost a 3 foot section will trip up as well. And notice the picture. So that bottom edge trips and then the section moves up, and it saves your pusher box from getting all bent and distorted. So this pusher box is in very good condition. It's been used a little bit. If you look at the thickness of this foot or the skid pad, right there it's at its thinnest place, which is probably a little bit better than a 1/2 inch thick. So it's got some wear to it, but not much. If you look at the back end, when the section goes up, here's one section right here. It goes up, it's on rubber holders, so it's allowed to flex up and down. And then down below here, you can see the spring for the trip edge, which is way down there. So this is a very well built, well designed piece of equipment. It's tried and true, and it's got the setup, I believe, for a wheel loader, and it's adjustable for any wheel loader that you may have. They aren't perfectly aligned sitting on this trailer. So there you go. A good solid unit ready to work. So these are our stock number is UP194, and this is a 14-foot snow pusher, sectional snow pusher. Thanks for watching.